Hey guys, this is John Michael with Untitled Tech. Let's talk about some peripherals, some accessories for the MacBook Pro right after this. If you had seen my first video for 2018, I gave you a tour of my studio and my office. And in one of the things that I was saying in there is that I do all my editing on the MacBook Pro. I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro, 2013, and I was due for an upgrade. There's nothing wrong with the MacBook Pro that I have now. However, I do need a stronger GPU. I'm doing a lot more videos. I'm doing a little bit more editing, getting good at it. I'm not a professional, hello. But I do need something a little stronger. And it was time for me for an upgrade. So with the issue of the MacBooks, of the new MacBooks, is that I don't have USBs. I don't have HDMI. I don't have the SD card. It's just 4 USB-C ports. That's it. That's it now. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So I thought about, you know what? Let me just share with you some of these dongles, which I'm sure you're aware, and also kind of show you some of other accessories that I've bought to complement this laptop. So let's start with the dongles first. Apple has these dongles, which I think they're pretty cool and very necessary. This dongle has the HDMI, USB, and a pass-through USB-C charge. See, so I mean, you send it and you get the charge as well too. All right, so this is a must. You should have this one. All right, for you professionals that need an adapter to record through your projectors, you definitely need this one. This is a VGA and a USB and a pass-through as well. So this is for those VGIs. Now I know that there are some projectors that do HDMI, so this one could suffice as well on that regards. All right. Now, this one here, this is called Blockhead. When I first saw this little gadget, I really didn't think anything of it, and it was I got an email selling it or something, and it was like $10 back then. I think it's a little bit more now, but I'll give you the link down here. Anyway, didn't think anything of it, but then this thing became handy, and I'm going to explain to you why. Normally, this is the brick that Apple gives you to charge, right? And then when you plug it this way, and you got this whole thing sticking out. Okay, now if you're in a tight situation, then you might not have that space, or if it's out in the open, somebody can hit it or whatever. That one is seriously not it. But the space is the deal. This contraption called Blockhead, all right? You take that out. You bring this in, and now Blockhead lets you, from this, it lets you plug it in this way, and you got this slim section. That is a pretty cool little gadget that I think every, Apple laptop owner, iPad, or any time that you have to use it, works on all. I bought 2 of these. And I bought a whole bunch for my family and all that because I thought this was a pretty cool deal, and it kind of comes in handy. All right, so that's that. All right, I also, Hyperdrive has this one here, but this company, Juiced, it's called Juiced, HDMI, it's a USB-C multi-port gigabit HDMI hub. I said, now this is pretty cool, and I believe I probably need to have it. So I did. It's also on Space Gray, so it's the same. And what I like about it is it has a USB slot. It has a micro USB slot. It has a pass-through USB USB-C pass-through, and it has the gigabyte LAN if in the event you just happen to be in the office or you're traveling, you're in a hotel and you just want to hook it up. And then it has 1, 2, 3 ports of USB-A 3.1 slots and an HDMI. Dude, you can't go wrong with this. You just can't go wrong with this. That thing plugs in one of the ports, and as far as you're concerned, as far as I'm concerned, you don't need anything else. I mean, you don't need any more than just this one plug in here. So I think this is pretty cool. It has to give it a little light. There's one more other accessory that I thought when I was doing my research of things that I should get for my new MacBook Pro with the 4 is, you know, since Apple took out the MagSafe, the magnetic thing safe, now you don't really have any protection, or if somebody stumbles and jerks your cable off or anything to that effect. Now, let me just tell you that in my 10 plus, no, it's got to be more than that. It's got to be more than 10 plus. I've owned 20, maybe 25 years that I've had an Apple product, that I've had a laptop, that I've gone out, Barnes & Noble, Starbucks, you know, anywhere that I've been out in public, I've never had anybody go through my cable, trip over it, any of that stuff. Now, that's not to say that it can't happen going forward, but with that said, I was listening to his video, and this guy came up with this cool idea, and he said that he had bought this USB-C cable in red, and that Anker makes this cool little USB-C cable. So I went and I said, you know what? That makes sense. And so therefore, I'm going to get me one too. So I got it right here. And the neat thing, dude, I mean, talking about packaging, is that what I didn't realize is that this cable brings its own case. Go figure. And it's nice and red. I mean, and it's cloth. Dude, really nice. USB to USB. And the point of that young man that I was watching the video was that you plug this in, and it's highly unlikely that somebody's not going to see that red cable hanging out of and maybe take some precaution of not wanting to. But anyway, I thought this was an excellent idea. Anker makes an excellent cable. I'll give you the description below as well. Dude, you can't go wrong with this. And this nice little case. This is pretty sweet, nice cloth with a Velcro type, which is already embedded in there. Really nice, covers it, everything pretty good. Then comes covers. I have been a advocate or proponent or whatever you want to call it, but I love 12 South. This company makes the BookBooks. They make BookBooks for iPads, for iPhones, and they also make some for the MacBooks. This is my MacBook, and it fits very nicely here. Every time I take it to work, guys really, I think they love the BookBook a lot nicer than they do the laptop because they think it's real cool. So with that said, I went out and got me a BookBook for my MacBook Pro 15-inch. And so this one, it's relatively the same, but this one has a little bit different, unique little option to it. And I'm going to show it to you here. Nice, rugged looking leather. Got that old book feel to it, you know. But this one here, when you open it, okay, it has like this little secret compartment right here like this, see? And you can put maybe 2-3 pages. It's really not meant to put, you know, more than 3 or 4 pages, you know, but it's got this little secret thing that you can have documents and so forth and so on. But the laptop fits very nicely in there. It closes it up. Very nice. Very nice. Nice leather. Very nice. Okay? The zippers are good. Strong zippers. Excellent. Excellent on that. That is called the BookBook for the 15-inch MacBook Pro with Thunderbolt 3 USB-C. I love 12 South. I'll give you the link to that as well too. But I love 12 South. Now there's another cover. This one's called From iBlaze. Most people, iBlaze excuse me. It says the Halo series, Hardshell protective case, 360 protection, scratch resistant, accurate cutouts for the MacBook Pro 15-inch 2016. But it says that it does fit the 2017 as well. The dimensions are the same. It's not a little different. Okay. Now, this is in the event that you don't really want a BookBook and you just want a hard case to protect your your MacBook Pro. I chose the clear. It's kind of like a frosted clear. See, well, frosted clear, good, strong. The reason I want one of these is because my laptop also serves as my desktop, and I'm going to show you that hookup here in another video. But so it's constantly laying down, and so I wanted to protect it. But it really is. It's as simple as just it just snaps on. You know, you just lay it in, snaps on. You start to hear all the snaps. Snap, snap, snap. Okay, good. There's that. And then you got the others. And this goes this way, I believe. Yep. There it is. It's got these nice little ridges here, slots cut so heat can come out. It's got some slots available here so the heat of the Apple comes out. It also has cutouts for your USB-C. If you had that hyperdrive USB-C where it has the little 2 prongs in it, it probably would not fit. But because I bought this one and it has its extended cable, it fits beautifully and it works perfect on that. So, but I can go out like this just with the MacBook by itself. See, just by itself, it looks very nice. That's called iBlason, BLASON. It's the Halo series. So that's that. So guys, if you like these videos, give me some likes, share it with your friends, give me some comments. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please subscribe. And if you have, let me just tell you, I appreciate you very, very much. And I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.